Today I'm cooking a very simple and delicious Sambal Petai Ikan Bilis or sting bean anchovy chili dip using the pre-cooked sambal that I have made earlier a few days ago. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 120 grams of fresh sting bean or petai, 200 ml of water, 60 grams of crispy fried ikan bilis or anchovies, 230 grams of pre-cooked sambal, half tablespoon of fish sauce, and half tablespoon of sugar. The full list of the ingredients, the measurements, the recipe for sambal, and the fried ikan bilis are in the see more link. Start with cutting the petai into half with a small knife. This is to ensure that there are no worms inside the beans. Cut into the center line that divides the petai into half. Alright, all the petai's beans are ready. Give it a wash and it's ready to cook. Heat the pan. Put all the sambal into the pan. Add in about 50 ml of water. Mix the sambal and water until well combined. The consistency is still very thick. Add in about 100 ml of water and mix. Add water a bit by bit to ensure that the consistency of the sambal will be perfect. This consistency is still thick, so add in another 50 ml of water. Continuously stir until it is well incorporated. The consistency is slightly thin right now, which is okay, as by the time the sambal is cooked, the gravy will be reduced and it will be perfect. Add in all the petai or the sting beans and give it a stir. Cover the pan and allow it to simmer for 8 minutes. If crunchy petai is preferred, the cooking time should be reduced to 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 8 minutes, the sambal is boiling vigorously. The gravy has reduced quite a lot and the consistency is perfect. Reduce the heat to low to reduce the splashing. Petai should be cooked and slightly soft. Next, add in the fish sauce and sugar. Stir until it's well combined. Give it a taste. Oh, it is lovely and very delicious. Add in the crispy fried anchovies and the sambal will be just perfect. Give it a stir and mix until well incorporated. Switch off the heat. Alright, it is done. Very simple and easy Sambal Petai Ikan Bilis. Let's dish out and serve. Let's eat. Oh wow, this is so good and very delicious. The petai is very creamy, going so well with the sambal and the crispy fried anchovies. It is not spicy at all and is best served with Nasi Lemak. So good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.